thunderstorm warning for southeastern Pope County, western Stearns County, until 7 p.m. At 6:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles south of Bruton, or 18 miles north of Wilmer, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour with gusts and nickel-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following effects are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near. Other locations in the path of a severe thunderstorm include Melrose and Sauk Center. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.